First of all, we will check the network interface with the help of inconfig. Then we will check the mode of the network adapter with iwconfig. Now we have to change the managed mode to monitor mode. We will clear the screen, and with the command ifconfig LAN 0 down, we will first down our network interface, as on any running machine it is not good to do changes. In my case it is LAN 0. You can check your network interface name. We will change the interface with the command iwconfig LAN 0 mode monitor, and then we will up the interface as before. We will check, then with the command errordumping LAN 0 we will scan networks in our surroundings. The command will scan and show all the network near me. We will try to crack Airtel Wi-Fi as I own this network. Now we can stop scanning as we got our target. Again, hacking is illegal, and this is the actual method to hack network. Don't use it to harm someone. Now we will check the folder where we want to save the output of the scan and use the command errordumping, bssid. Bssid is nothing but the MAC address of the target network. Now we will go back to the scan terminal, and copy the MAC address of the target system and paste it in front of the bssid of current terminal. Now we will proceed further with command channel. Now we will copy channel number from the scan terminal, then write or paste it in front of channel. And now we will give the name to the network to save the output. And end with the network interface name. Now on screen will open like this and show all the connected devices with the network. Here only one device is connected. Now in the new terminal we will write the command airplaying doth. Here doth means we want to disconnect the connected device with the target network for how many frames, and when it will send handshake while again connecting the network. We will try to capture the handshake to exploit. Now here meaning of A is MAC address of the network. We need to copy the MAC address from the scan terminal and paste it to the current terminal, and the meaning of C is the MAC address of the connected device. We will do as like we did with network. MAC address and end the command with network interface name. As you can see, the device is now automatically disconnecting from the network and frames are increasing automatically, and we also get the WPA handshake file, so congrats hackers, most of the work is done. Now delete all the other terminals as we don't require all these now, as we can't crack hashes, so we will try all possible passwords to match the hashes. In our Kali machine in user shared directory in wordlessits folder we have a file name rocku.txt. Now we will come back to all the directories with the command cd, as it is used to come back to the previous folder or directory. Now we will go to the document directory and open the Wi-Fi directory, and here we will see number of files. As we can see, here is a cap file generated. In this cap file only our password hashes are stored. We will use now air cracking, then the name of the hacked cap file, then we will write W for giving the word lists path. So after writing W, we will give the word lists or rocku.txt file path. Press enter, it will got through million plus common passwords and find match your hashes. Oh, we got the password, congrats, the password is Spider-Man.